Hello everyone, today I want to talk about something that affects for all of us, plastic waste. Every day we use plastic bags, packets and bottles, but do we ever think about what happens after we throw them away? Plastics doesn't disappear, it stays in our environment for hundreds of years. It pollutes our oceans, rivers and environment. So what can we do? Animals eat plastics, people breathe it, and the planet suffers from it. Yes, plastic is useful, but it's dangerous when we don't use it wisely. So we can reuse, recycle, and reduce them, and we can make our planet safer and cleaner for everyone.
Plastic waste is becoming a serious problem because people overuse single-use items every day. This overuse adds to 400 million tons of plastic waste produced globally each year. Another issue is poor waste management, as only about 9% of plastic waste is actually recycled. The rest often ends up in streets, rivers, and oceans where it harms animals and pollutes the environment. A strong solution is increasing public awareness so people understand how their choices affect the planet. When people know the impact, they begin to reduce their plastic use. Recycling is also essential because it turns old plastic into new materials instead of letting it become waste. With better awareness and stronger recycling habits, communities can significantly cut plastic pollution.
Plastic pollution is growing global crisis. Modern lifestyles rely heavily on plastic products because they are cheap, lightweight, and durable. However, the same qualities that make plastic useful also make it dangerous to the environment. Plastic waste does not break down easily, so it accumulates in nature for hundreds of years. The oceans are suffering the most. Every year, sea animals like turtles, seabirds, and fish die because they swallow or get trapped in plastic. Moreover, small plastic pollution can be significantly reduced by replacing single-use plastics with biodegradable materials and developing efficient recycling technologies that prevent waste from investing entire land and water ecosystems. Governments should enforce strict regulation on plastic manufacturing while also investing in public awareness campaigns that encourage people to adopt suitable habits.
Okay, nowadays plastic waste is becoming one of the most problem issues in the world, and it made some kind of problems like environmental damage and others. What do you think about this?
Yes, you're right. Nowadays, the plastic waste is one of the most important, one of the most in the world, and because it's appearing some kind of problems like environmental damage. The first major problem is that plastic takes the hundred of years to decompose. As a result, it accumulates in the soil, water, and harming wildlife. Many marine animals such as turtles and fish mistake plastics for food and die after swallowing it. Moreover, microplastics enter the food chain, eventually affecting human health. Because of these reasons, it's a major problem in the world.
Okay.
No.
Okay, thanks for these reasons and for this problem.
Yes, in my opinion, government is responsible to solve this problem. So governments can play a crucial role by banning single-use plastics and encourage the use of eco-friendly materials. For example, some countries have already introduced the tax on plastic bags or promoted biodegradable packaging, and also this and strict environmental laws can significantly reduce the plastic consumption and pollution, and as a result, it will be useful not only for environmental but also people's health.
Thank you for your attention and your solutions. And I think it will be very useful for everyone. Thank you.
Okay, what can people and governments do to reduce the overuse of plastics and improve waste management?
Okay. Firstly, people and government can take several steps to solve this problem. First, public awareness campaigns should teach people how important it is to reduce or reuse plastic bottles. When people understand negative effects of plastic on the environment, their habits can change. Then, besides that, people start to use maybe clothes bags or reusable bottles instead of single-use bottles. Maybe it's useful for our nature. So, to sum up, plastic waste is not just a small issue, it's a serious threat to our environment, to animals, and even to our own health. But the good news is that we can fix it if our governments make strong policies and if each of us acts responsibly by reducing, recycling, and reusing planet. We can really make a difference. Let's start today so we can build a cleaner and healthier planet for the next generations.